Welcome, Fangirl Nation, to the Halftime Lifestyle Report. I am Steph, your Jaguars fangirl. So NFL fans, you know the Jaguars need a Hail Mary for the rest of their season. So this is our Bloody Mary Hail Mary. Step 1, make sure you have your shaker and have a good amount of ice. Once you have all of your ice, you want to make sure to add, well, it's my favorite, Tito's vodka, and you can use a jigger or you can eyeball it. I like to eyeball it. Add your tomato juice. Add your favorite hot sauce. And the more you add, the spicier it will be. If you like Worcestershire or horseradish, go ahead and add that. Now it's time to shake it up. Fill your glass with ice and pour your cocktail. So lastly, you can add whatever you want as a garnish. I like cheese, olives, pickles, prosciutto, but of course, make it your own. Then add a straw and invite your favorite fangirl to come and enjoy it.
Hello!
You're also going to need this too, because the Browns have been in overtime and you need it more than me.
That's correct. I'll be back.
What do you think?
Oh, so good. So delicious.
Hopefully this will get us into winning gear. It's our win potion.
I hope so.
And for even more recipes, go to FGSN.com.
Cheers.